Hi guys and welcome to the show. I'm just going to give you a quick video on how we peel and slice ginger. So the first thing you need to get yourself is a damp cloth and just pop that straight onto your work surface like that. And the idea of that is to stop this from slipping. So next we're going to get ourselves a piece of garlic. We're going to get a little bin for the rubbish, and we're just going to chop off a bit of the garlic like that. I'm going to chop it using my knuckle as a guide so I don't cut my finger. I'm just going to score straight across it. Pop your knife to one side, your ginger somewhere safe as well. Now I'm going to use a spoon because I can really guide it. It's not too strong and I can really just get into the contours of the ginger. So I'm just going to literally scrape the spoon over it and round the corner of it. Try not to take off too much of the actual ginger. There's a little root here, so it's been a bit of a pain. And then just scrape it. You could even use the inside, the handle part of the spoon, and just scrape off all of the outside of the skin there. Once you've done it, and then we can either grate it or we can chop it up finely. I'm going to chop it up finely. So I'm going to bend my fingers over so my fingertips don't get cut, and I'm just going to guide against that knuckle. So I'm just going to slice there, move back a little bit, slice and move back a little bit, slice, move back a little bit, see? And I'm going to keep going until I can't get any more. Then I'm going to turn it round and I'm going to do the same this way. So all of these tiny little bits are all cut up, ready to be mixed into my food. And that is how we do ginger, apart from that little bit there. So ginger can be used in curries, it can be used in loads of different food. So we are going to use that now. So there we go, ginger. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to subscribe to our channel, that would be great, and stick on the bell notifications. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.